Whoa, who are these guys?
Max and Monty.
Where did they come from?
Daddy's pockets.
This is Monty. She'll be Max. And Max.
But even though they don't have the same numbers.
No, oh, he has 15 and he has 16.
Yeah.
Let me see those guys for a second. What do they do, these guys?
Dump.
Are they dump trucks?
Yeah.
Where's Jack? Maybe Jack can load them up and then they can dump, huh?
Is
What
there
do you think?
more things?
Look at that. Look. There's Jack. He's
No.
load some dirt into them. No. We got a whole construction crew now, huh? We got Byron. We have Jack, Max, and Monty. Just have to find our Alfie. Whoa, he's got a load. Can you show me how he dumps it?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, and it's got a magnet on it so Jack can lift it up. That's awesome. Now, do Max and Monty go on the tracks or on the road?
Sometimes on the tracks, on the road.
Oh, that's so cool because they can do both.
Yeah.
Do you think he can go up and down this hill?
Oh. I can't with his nose.
Not with the load. Whoa! Look who Daddy found! It's Alfie! And now Monty's gonna help our freight train, who collapsed, get back on the track. On he gets. Now, can we help him up that hill? Oh! Turn him on. Oh, gives him a good. Okay, let him go. Let him go. Hey, let's see him go across the bridge to the other table.
Okay.
Should we get Gordon and Henry out of the way, or should we let him push them? Oh, he got stuck. Can you help him? There we go. Okay, here, let's let him push Henry and Gordon and see what happens. Oh! That was pretty neat. Oh, he did good coming across. Wow.
Those are two twins.
There's a lot of twins on the island of Sodor, isn't there?
Huh? Oh.
Look, he's right underneath you. Have you lost your twin? He's right underneath you. Can you go back and find him? Which way? There's the right way.
Hi.
Now they're pushing each other.
But smash into each other without sticking where going.
I see somebody go on this new tunnel of ours.
Hit the freight train.
I like it. This is awesome. This is a little mine shaft.
It's going to be my glory.
Whoa, who is that? Hugo.
That was a surprise.
Woo. Yeah, Hugo always surprises me. He's so fast. He just comes and surprises us.
Look, Bill. Twins. Ooh, I don't like twins, Ben. They're tricky. Are you a twin?
Yeah.
We don't like twins.
You guys are twins.
What?
So are Donald and Douglas.
Donald and Douglas? They're not from around here. You're the only twins we see.
Donald and Douglas are the ladies' magic.
Out of our way.
Surprises come and ladies' magic.
Ladies magic.
Wow.